Hi everyone! This video is going to be about creating an ombre lip. To start off, maybe I can explain what an ombre lip exactly is. It's all about creating a gradient between two colors, or if you'd like even more, the darkest color of the two is usually one that's put outside, like on the border of the lips, and then on the inside they usually use a kind of lighter color. So key here is to really make it a gradient between the two colors and not just a flat line where the two colors meet. They really have to like flow into each other. So the easiest way to go about this is just get a dark lip liner and then a light shade of lipstick. This way you're kind of going to line your lips with a darker shade and just make the line a bit thicker than you usually would. And just instead of coloring in your entire lip, just make the line a little bit thicker than you normally would, and then just use a brush to kind of smudge it in and or create a type of beginning of a gradient. So with that initial gradient going, you can now take your second color, which is usually the lighter one, and place that kind of on the inside of your lips. And really make sure that you're not going all the way over that lip liner, because that's kind of going to defeat the purpose. Once you've put that on the inside of your lips, you can use that same brush that has kind of the darker color on it still, and just use that to kind of create that gradient between the two colors and smudge the lighter color a lot more outwards. So you can still see that there's another color on the borders and not just a really thin line of that color. It's got to come forward and have this thick border. We've already seen something similar to this in my contour video for lips, but I kind of wanted to take the time to really properly explain this and just show you how it's done in a dedicated video. Because this is such a cute trick if you use the same colors as you've used on your eyes, which I've kind of tried, if you can see. This way you're also creating a lot more dimension in the lips, where you're using two colors and you're kind of contouring your lips itself. They're gonna look a lot bigger. So the gradient from the darker to the lighter part is kind of going to create this contouring effect like we would do with a cheekbone, where we put this really dark color and then we kind of fade it into a really light color. It's going to have the same effect for the lips. So if you're looking for kind of fuller lips without the whole contour thing, you can definitely do an ombre lip. And some people see an ombre lip kind of as a general gradient. It doesn't really have a direction. You could just have a darker color into a lighter color into a darker color, or the other way around, or start with a darker color on like the borders and then have a darker lip color in the middle, or just completely different colors. It doesn't really matter, but this is, I feel like, the most wearable version of the ombre lip. Just because in general throughout the day when you're wearing something like this, you drink, you eat, you do things with your lips, it's gonna fade and you're gonna have to reapply your lipstick, and you don't want to be in the bathroom for an hour trying to blend two colors together. It's gotta be efficient, it's gotta be quick, it's gotta be workable. So I feel like that's it for this ombre lip tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and that it was interesting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!